In this section we're going to see how to repeat the table heading row for multiple page tables. Now if I just highlight and mark this as red so you can see what's going on, this red title here is displayed at the top of the table, and this table actually spans more than one page, and let's say this, for sake of argument, span 20 pages. You'll find that if you looked at any page apart from page 1, when it's printed out you'll have no idea what these figures are relating to. On page 1 obviously you have the headings here. So there's a very simple solution here. If I just click within the heading here, and then under Table Tools I click on Layout, you see over here where it says Repeat Header Rows. If I click on that and now scroll down, there you are, problem solved. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo that. So remember, this is what it looked like before. So remember to click within the first line here, the first row. Go to Table Tools, Layout, and then simply click on where it says Repeat Header Rows. And now if I scroll down, as you can see, problem sorted. Now another useful thing with tables is, in this case you can see I've got a row here. It's a fairly small row. I've got another row here, and this row here marked in red actually spans or breaks over the page break. So what I can do is, if I want to force this table to break just before this row here and move on to the next page, what I can do is click somewhere within this row, right click, and then go to where it says Table Properties, and then making sure the row tab is selected. If I unclick this option here that says Allow Row to Break Across Pages, and then click OK, can you see what happens? It forced the row to break there, and this page is, or this row rather, is now displayed on the second page.